At the University of Leiden in the Netherlands, a group of researchers study the maturation of eels. Two approaches can be used to induce maturation in eels under laboratory conditions. One is to imitate the natural environment in an attempt to stimulate natural gonadotropin production. The other is to treat mature male and female eels with hormones. In this experiment, we used the second approach and administered hormones to adult eels. Males were treated for 3 months with weekly intraperitoneal injections of human chorionic gonadotropin. At an early stage, they already produced up to 2 mils of sperm a day. Females were treated for 3 months with weekly intraperitoneal injections of carp pituitary extracts. After 3.5 months, the first females were ready for the experiment. To induce ovulation, the females were given injections with an ovulation hormone. We started the film just before the males were introduced to 2 females. The eels can swim freely in a 4,000-litre aquarium, and this makes it possible to study their behaviour during mating. We used indirect light so as not to disturb the eels. The researchers could follow the experiment on monitors outside the laboratory. In general, people focus on female-to-male interactions in studies of pheromones, for synchrony of gamete emission, and success of fertilization. But in addition, female-female interactions may be very important to induce a massive simultaneous spawning for numerous mating eels in the Sargasso Sea. From our observations, we have indications that this is the case. In the future, we will study these interactions, their nature, and their effects on ovulation and spermiation. Males were attracted to the eggs on the floor of the tank. When the floor is totally covered with eggs, they couldn't find the females who were closer to the water surface. In the next study, we will focus on the development of eel embryos and larvae.